Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make baller in melon sandbox. First, get a apple. Then delete the leaf. Turn him into banana. After he's done swimming, use the healing syringe. Damn it, not the acid one. Then use the Regan syringe under his toes in slow motion. Make sure to pause at the right frame. After that, copy or save. Make sure to make him immortal. Then get some black pants and delete the top, you don't have to. Then put some shoes on. You can also steal Apple's head and use it as a ball. Comment down below what should I do next in melon sandbox. That's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.